If your Whirlpool dishwasher is flashing the F4E3 error code, it's signaling a communication issue between the electronic control board and the circulation pump motor, preventing the wash cycle from starting properly. Here's how to troubleshoot and fix it. First, reset the dishwasher, unplug it or turn off the circuit breaker for 5 minutes, then restore power and start a cycle to see if the error clears. If it persists, turn off power again for safety. Check the wiring harness between the control board and circulation pump, typically located under the dishwasher's bottom panel. Look for loose, frayed, or corroded wires. Secure or replace any damaged connections. Next, inspect the circulation pump for clogs or debris. Remove the lower access panel and filters to check for blockages, cleaning them thoroughly. Test the pump's continuity with a multimeter. Should read near 0 ohms. If faulty, replace it. Cost other $155. If the pump and wiring are fine, the control board may be defective. Check for burn marks or loose connections, but replacing it, price varies by model, often requires a technician. Find your model's tech sheet behind the kick panel for specific guidance. If all else fails, contact Whirlpool at 1-800-253-1301. What's your dishwasher model?